Hello everyone, this is Alarm System Tech here with Systems in Action episode 18, featuring my Simplex 4004 and 4010 demonstration system. So as you can see, I've already made a couple changes to the system. First of all, I have installed a brand new Simplex 4906-9127 Smart Sync True Alert Horn Strobe. This is running Smart Sync operation from the 4010 control panel. Next change is that I have changed the signal coding on the Simplex 4903-9219 mechanical horn strobe. It is now set to temporal code 3 instead of March time, so you'll be hearing that. And today I'm going to be activating the system using the Simplex 4099-9003 pull station. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pull it. Alarm silence. Let's go ahead and reset the pull station real fast. And we'll go ahead and disable the relay so that we can reset both systems. So we'll initiate a system reset on the 4010. We'll wait for that. Right, the 4010 is now reset. Let's go ahead and initiate a system reset on the 4004. Now the 4004 is reset. Let's go ahead and re-enable the relay. And that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.